Class 12 students, I am doing second order differentiation. This is the continuous class. See, the sum is given y is equal to this, find d2y dx2 at x equal to 4. So differentiating both sides, this will be u into v differentiation, that is u into d dx of this. This means this to the power half, so half into this to the power half minus 1, that is minus half, so it will come 1 by root over of this. Again d dx of this will be 2x, so u d dx of v plus v d dx of u d dx of x is 1. Again differentiate, so here u by v formula, v square v d dx of u, x square differentiation means 2x, again x square into d dx of this means this to the power half, so half into this to the power half minus 1, so it will come down as root. Again d dx of x square is 2x plus d dx of this, so half into this to the power half minus 1, that is 1 by root over of this. Again d dx of x square is 2x. Now put the value of x at x equal to 4, so put the value of x 4. Value of x, if you put 4, then 4 to the 8, 4 4 are 16 plus now 25, square root means 5, like this you calculate and get answer. This sum, if you differentiate, we have to prove that this equal to 0. So do differentiation. First differentiation, that is x to the power n formula, n into x to the power n minus 1 into d dx of this means 3, because x differentiation is 1 and 2 differentiation 0. I have simplified this, and this equal to, again differentiate, so 3y will come outside and this to the power minus half, so minus half into this to the power minus half, that is this. Again d dx of this means 3. Simplify this. Now left hand side you take value of y, and y double dash is this, put here, value of y dash is this one whole square, so this. Now this cancellation, you do cancellation, it will be 0. This one I am not explaining, try to understand. This one is very easy. Given y equal to tan inverse x, prove this. If you differentiate this side coming y1, and tan inverse x differentiation formula is this. Now do cross multiplication, y into 1 into this equal to 1. Again differentiating both sides with respect to x, u into v differentiation, u into d dx of y1 means y2 plus v means y1 into d dx of this means 1 is 0 and x square is 2x, so I have written 2x. y2 means this and y1 means this. See, the proof has come. This one also very easy, I am not explaining, you do yourself. This sum, it is parametric form, so both differentiating both sides with respect to t, this one will come dx dt equal to 3, t differentiation is 1 and t cube, that is 3 into t to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2, and here dy dt equal to t differentiation 1 differentiation 0, I have not written. Then dy dx equal to dy dt by dx dt, that means this by this. Now again differentiating both sides with respect to x, this side it will be d2y dx2 and that side ddt of this into dt dx. Now dt dx value here, dx dt this, so dt dx will be 1 by this, that value I put here. And this one you do simplification, and at t equal to 2 put the value 2, t value of t you put 2, so it is coming. That's all for this video.